Alright guys, I want to make another video on the Master It series, and this video is gonna be on changing content. Hopefully it's gonna be a short video, so let's get on. So what do we have? We have URL, and inside the URL we have LIs, list items, right? Prime, bright, you know, all the text, and I'm gonna choose. I'm gonna go and say function, right? This is the same as saying document.onload DOM content loaded, right? It's gonna run as soon as the document is loaded, this function. And now we're gonna do li contains all the li's that contains prime. We'll do text. Text is like getting the text, like this text, not the markup, the text. We're gonna say PEANUT, peanut, right? Just some random word, and we can see peanut, 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 right? So that's one way to change the text of some element that you like, you want. Now I'm going to choose li dot. Let's give bribe some classes. Right. So we're going to choose bribe, li bribe dot HTML. Now we're getting the text and the markup. It's like all the markup. So yeah, and we're gonna get the function. We're gonna do a function. We're gonna pass a function as a parameter, and inside that function we're gonna return let's just say h2 h2. Now we're gonna say this dot text, meaning the li itself, this, and we get an h2 bribe, right? Now we're gonna do prime. Let's give it an ID prime, and prime. So we're gonna do li and prime dot remove. It's not gonna have any parameter passed into it, right? It just remove that's gonna remove the ID, right? So that's how you change content. Next video we're gonna be talking a little bit about inserting content, maybe adding new content. It's all about adding the content in the next few videos. And so yeah, that's all you get for this video, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.